This YoLink LoRa motion sensor kit offers a straightforward way to add reliable outdoor motion detection with a dedicated speaker hub included in the box. The long-range LoRa wireless technology allows the sensor to sit hundreds of feet from the hub, making it practical for monitoring driveways, sheds, and other distant spots on your property. Because the sensor is battery-powered and fully wireless, installation is simple and does not require running conduit or hiring an electrician. The system can send email, text message, and app notifications, and it also works with voice assistants and popular automation platforms for flexible smart home integration. A standout feature is the direct pairing between devices, which keeps alerts and sirens working even if your internet or household power goes down, a big plus for security in remote locations. The YoLink ecosystem supports a large number of additional sensors, sirens, plugs, and switches, so this starter kit can grow into a comprehensive, property-wide alert system.